Okay, now it's like it's giving a bullish push.
Why? Why? See. I just gotta be slow. Honestly speaking, I should have just recorded it through OBS instead of.
Boom.
Oh goodness, bro. I need help.
Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. I ain't gonna
I
quick
went short.
draw.
Oh, not gold is
You took a
pushing.
short on NQ?
Order filled.
Ooh, ooh,
Get in,
Somebody's. Oh,
get in there, man.
ooh.
okay, I was short this.
Oh, that's a weak entry. Hold on. Is that a weak entry? Is my screen, my trade view freezing, or that's me.
Yours probably what's the name? Freezing.
All right, there we go. All right, break instructions getting
Okay.
created.
Let me add the 1 minute. I
All
mean
right, bingo.
1 hour. We ain't sweep. 1 hour. We ain't sweep. I'm still in this trade. Come
Okay.
on.
All
Come on.
right, we're pushing.
You in bars? Poodle?
No
Yeah,
sales.
I'm in the buy right now.
Oh,
It
you in
hit
the.
my bottom,
Oh, okay.
but it might just reverse on me. I'm just taking a quick TP.
We did fill in that fair right out on the one
TP,
hour.
come sweep it.
Alright, so I was looking. Oh, that's Zeus.
Order filled.
All right, I got that bread. I don't know if it just hit something. You might come back down now if it don't break above this high.
Nah, that was me, Brody.
Okay. Yeah, I want to see. So I was saying on Nasdaq, sales is valid. I want to see a retest. Like we push up, and then we come back down and we drive. So sell position is more of a retest.
I gotta check the ES sweep. No,
Oh,
it
so
might
close.
sell now.
So close for my entry, bro. So close, bro. Don't edge me, bro. Don't edge me. Fuck.
If we in great,
Order filled.
All right, I'm in there.
this
All right, I'm in there. I'm taking this to the slow. Boom. All right, wake entry. I'm up
Anybody
400.
else in short on NQ?
I'm on a short position on Nas. Up. I'm up. Almost
And
300. Well, 400. So wake entry. I feel like it's a wake entry. W. All right.
I
All
must
right.
you must not be on micro because I got weak entry, three contract
All
micro, and
right.
I'm only
All
at
right.
260.
I am up almost a band. Almost a band. W.
Damn.
I don't know if y'all can see my screen, but W. Uh, change screen, entire screen. W. I want to see that push. Bring this over right here. Can I see that flip?
yeah, we inverse that 1 minute. We should push down.
Hell
That's
yeah.
that's selling confluence. If we come back up and strike, I know something.
Yeah, I'm be sick.
I just got stopped out on micro NQ, and I was up like 300. I only made $20 off that.
Hey, I take something and nothing.
I'm looking for a re-entry because I know this shit gonna dump.
Now it's playing around. Hold on. We about to
Order
we
filled.
might go up. Let me see if I should switch.
we push and we come back down, I'm gonna add another entry. That be well over break even. Come on, give me the retest. Come on, give me the retest like I anticipated.
Okay, we broke over the higher high. Nas might push up. Let's see.
We got news at 10. So
Let's come back down a little bit so I can get in.
you was looking for sales or buys?
Now since it done broke my higher high,
Uh huh.
I'm about to press buy.
See this for
But it depends on how this next 1 minute close. I wanted to close that gap a little bit.
Ooh,
Damn, I could have took that entry up there, bro.
Order filled.
bang, 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 bang,
Order filled.
bang, 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 bang. W,
That's wild. That's wild.
W. I might add another entry. Oh, I should have
Add
added.
an entry.
Oh, that should have been an entry. Oh, oh, oh man. Clean retest. Okay. All right. You give me the retest. Now can you push for me? Can you push? Can you push? Can you push?
Order filled.
Do, 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 do.
Sales on gold still valid, bro?
Sales?
See something, nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to see a push. I ain't gonna hold you. I really want to see
See
it.
something. Let me see
Sweep
something.
this order block. Sweep this. I mean, just sweep this fair value gap and potentially sweep this order block from yesterday lows. So I just want to see the second leg down. You know, we did reject. It's about can we get that push lower
It says on micro NQ valid still.
on a micro.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Order filled.
Not that bro. That's
Look, low key, it just might be. It's a possibility. It might try to do the same thing Nas do, try to sweep this order block up here. But if price starts to stall, there's a potential we could push lower. It could come back down. I ain't gonna hold you, so
Okay.
I'm gonna say yes, but you know, I'll see, make sure you managing risk with this. But sales lucky look valid. It's lucky looking. I ain't gonna
I'm in
hold
and I'm
you.
up 140.
Nice, that's a W. All right, Nasdaq, come on, don't play with me today. I got the same. Uh-oh. Same bias with Nas. I mean, with gold. I mean, we're flipping, but can it push? I just want to see it push. That second leg down. Come on, give me to risk free. Give me the risk free.
this is 399.
Might have to wait till this hourly closure.
Order filled.
Alright, got another 10 until next hourly candle. So all about bottom, see price push.
Let me see something. Let me see something. Yes.
Literally,
Hopefully, yeah.
both, bo- both Nash and gold low key moving the same.
I know when to take out this mother freaker. I know that.
Wait, who getting it? Culpepper. My residential is the sweetest. No, who's Culpepper? Donald. And my father, that's what it is. It's up and down. But it's not sweet. It's 2 blocks, literally. Up and back, up and down. Hey, you funny talking about you don't do no other route. What? 5, 8. That's sweet. You talking about sitting in the truck and smooth? You gotta make it like, to them, you gotta have it like common sense type. No, I said this. What's she looking over? She was looking over here. She was looking over the. She was looking this way. I can't run. I know. I know. Ooh, that's still out there? Oh. Thank you.
5 minutes later.
The whole thing?
I'm thinking I'm without.
Look, the best thing I can tell you.
She told somebody else was on it with you? No, because she be like, oh, you want me to go do 4 hours or something like that. Tell her up the male life. That's what she said. Yeah, that's
I suggest you to take the bill and do the business lesson.
Sorry, she got an error. Yeah, and
So how you gonna do?
that's where she told me I ain't know this. So, this is that.
Oh, she probably took the buildings from you.
I mean, yeah. No, she did. Look, it's right here. That's why she said she got the back part. No, you got the whole room.
How? Tell them you need it. Unless they gonna take the buildings from you.
Nah, you flipped. Wait till the file close. It's gonna let us know something. What the free NQ keep crossing? Oh shoot, 466. I'm about to go break even. Yes sir, yes sir. Keep going. Just shoot to the top for me, bruh. So I'm up right now. Wait, let me go find the previous day. Is at 574. I know we might get a little rejection once ES hit the previous day. No, he ain't rejection time yet, yo. Stop playing games. Oh man, it hit an order block. That order block ain't gonna do nothing. Dang, 512. Oh, let me look at ES. I'm tripping. I know at least could take it to 495. What the freak going on? Why is only moving 2 points? The freak? I need a boost, bruh. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Love that. I needed that.
I'm trailing, boy. Keep going.
You
Just
know what's
keep going.
funny? You know what's funny? I was in bias.
Boy, me too. Keep going. Just go another 30 points real quick.
Once I got the break even right here, I closed for got out of that. But I'm
Keep
still
going. Keep going.
I'm still
Keep going.
standing. I'm still standing. I want to see a retest though. A retest come back down. We take
Yeah,
out them
yeah,
highs and we
retest
come
will
back
come.
down.
Oh, okay, okay.
Order filled.
Oh, I closed my mistake. No.
Say that again.
I just closed my mistake.
Oh, I'm liking the retest. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm
Yeah,
liking it.
We just swept the daily high on ES. That's
I'm
why that's why I started trailing.
yeah, I like in the retest. I ain't gonna hold you. I needed that. I needed them highs to get swept. I needed that.
But wait, Molly, I was in that bot for a long time. I was about to say this bet not fail me now. The only reason I stayed in that buy is because we closed be above that higher high. And then when it went back down and reversed on me, I was like, oh God.
All right, man. Get that truck. All right. Work on
Nah, we bullish right now. So for the fact the way we moving right now, Nas at least going to 557 in the next 15 minutes.
And we got news in 5 minutes. Interesting.
Yeah, this news, Nas gonna sweep out the previous day high and more. I'm gonna have my sell. Let me tell you what I be
Hey,
waiting.
Navs and gold moving the same. I ain't gonna
I
lie.
literally, I literally was saying that. I was like, ain't gonna lie. Why they were very identical.
It's just good because I got right in that gold buys, bro. I need that bit to hold above and I'm good.
See, my sell entry on Nas would be around 23,606.
Mine should be at the top of this high, right above here. I'm in there like swimwear.
Damn, but I just
You
held that
still like
trade.
sales for gold?
Low key, yeah. I don't really think we ever break. I really want the breakout. Don't get me wrong. I'm still very much bullish for gold, but it's like, I mean, I want to see certain things get filled and tapped into before I take buys. Like, but again, if we do push up and we tap into these highs at 4,700, this lower high at 4,700, then okay. But I really want to see a some type of push, a steeper push down. This literally what I've been crying about. I was like, bro, I want to see a somewhat of a steeper push down, before I take buys. Yesterday we somewhat got it when we talked to 4,500. That was a clean area to take buy positions, but again, we talked to resistance, we started stall, so I'm like, okay, well, we might be coming back down into the range.
I think gold might go to like 46.26 or 27, and then it's gonna start to sell. Oh, now it's pushing, bro. This don't make sense, bro. If you get in a trade on Nas, you might as well get in a trade on gold.
Literally, literally, they're moving very identical today.
I could have held my trade. I would have hit.
Over the last few weeks, bro, I've been looking at it. Bro, it's been moving the same every time.
Yeah, I don't know how it's moving like tech, bruh. Bruh,
Literally,
look at
bro.
gold,
I
bruh.
don't get it. I mean, the dollar's coming
Gold taking
down.
off?
Gold flying in the air.
Oh, yeah. I'm in there.
Okay, because
At
yeah,
45.89.
the dollar's coming down too, so that makes sense why gold is pushing. Makes sense. Makes
I got
sense.
entry at 45.89.
Oh, you ain't good right now.
Yeah, the dollar's coming down. Love that. Is this the breakout? I always keep saying that.
I know what's finna happen. Nas finna go to 23,605. It's gonna sweep it. Then it's gonna come back down because there's an hour order block up top. And then we gonna come get this motherfucking hour fair value gap.
Top it to the 3 hour fair value gap. You got a bearish fair value gap on the 3 hour right here. We keep tapping into it and rejecting. This is interesting. So we just push, we tapped it, low key tapped it, and now what? It's low key about to stall. I don't want to see it stall,
Y'all got
but
a sell limit on that at 605.
Yeah, six for me. I know I do 605, but you the way it's moving right now, we don't know how bullish it could be. Cause Nas could hit 605 and strike up another 100 points.
Yeah, okay.
But I haven't looked at the RSI. Okay, yeah, RSI be getting kind of overboard.
all right.
Almost.
We got a couple minutes to New York opening too. I mean, not New York opening news.
Yeah, the buy ain't done yet.
And then a 4-hour candle open as well.
Dang.
Oh, look at that flip. I knew it. I
It's
fucking
it's
knew
doing
it.
it's doing that on purpose though.
I
It's gonna go
fucking
right
knew it.
back up at 10 o'clock.
I fucking knew it.
Red Oak, California, cuz.
Look at that flip.
If gold is moving like Nas, watch what I tell you.
It
10 o'clock.
is. Both would just flip like that. Literally,
You see how it just
go.
flipped down?
Literally,
It,
it's literally
at 10
pushing back
o'clock,
into
it's
the
gonna shoot
range.
back up. It's gonna shoot back up.
Oh, we got news too in a couple minutes. Ooh,
It's gonna shoot right back up, bruh.
I ain't gonna lie. The news finna bring some volume. Whatever news, hot news come out, it's finna bring some volume. Love that.
I wonder should I let me see if that's a good re-entry on Nas. Nah.
All right, we got Jolt's jaws opening at in 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
I gotta look at ES now.
And
We had a
this gonna be the new opener. This hourly on Nas. Uh, go. Oh, Go about to have his 4 hour closure too. Would like to see how this 4 hour open up.
the 4 hour finna open up bullish than a mother freak, then it's gonna come back down.
That's why I said last night. This look, he's a dead cat.
Bro, bro, Marty, when I was at the office last night, I could
Mhm.
have gotten this trade at like 23.19
Mhm.
and could have held it for the rest of the night. But I wasn't paying attention.
Ooh, that's almost a wick entry. That's off this little candle. This candle. Ooh, that's well at the bottom of this candle. At that 4 hour. That been clean. So we gonna have 4 hour closure
Now,
on
keep shooting
Nasdaq
up. It's like,
at 11. 4 hour closure on Nasdaq at 11. All right, let's see how it go open up. Couple seconds.
I don't like how this doing this, cause this mean it might fly up some more. It's too strong. It's gonna invalidate my sale.
All right, that's 10. Keep opening up bearish.
Dang, yes, open. They both opened above the. Oh yeah, this might be a little bearish, but now we gotta go up a little bit more. At least a 607.
Thought it was nose coming out still. It came out. So news came out lower than expected.
And separate your packages by streets.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Yeah, that's it.
But we don't have
Ooh,
carrots, right?
the dollar is tanking.
Carrots, right, are missing.
Damn.
Yeah, but why? I had 18 gift cards. I don't have. Yeah, let them come to the card. So missing nowadays. Card. What is that? Yes. We got fish maker. Who needs a gas card? Well.
Oh.
Have a gas card. Then goes to Mark. Somebody could double and fill up with.
Sorry. You have on the right shoes?
I do.
Okay.
Miss Pope.
Oh, look at go. Push, push, push,
I
push,
don't like what we're doing right now. We might just shoot up.
push, push, push.
Or should I just take this quick entry?
Push, 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 push.
Oh, it hit the -1. That's low resistance.
I need to push and hold above 46.21.
Oh, was it trying to sweep yesterday highs? Oh.
What you talking about, Molly?
But gold.
Nah, go. It's gonna sweep it. It might just take a little minute.
Yeah. That's what I was looking at. I was like, oh, it's trying to sweep these highs. If it do, hey, we might see this thing push to 4,680.
Yeah, go.
Here we
Yeah,
go. Here we go. There we go.
I need to set a buy limit on motherfucking. Oh,
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Fuck that crap.
I need to hold above this and I'm good. Let's go.
There we go.
Okay, now go and Nas moving different. Now
There
I
we
want to
go.
move different.
I'm like, wait a minute. Why they got so much positive correlations at the moment? Yeah, go pushing. There we go.
Let me look at ES because if gold pushing like that, what the freak Nas doing?
It's coming down. Nah, this is lucky, like pulling back.
Okay, hit that 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see if we go fly back up in the sky now.
This is a 3 hour, 1 hour. Wait. I saw something. Wait a minute. Oh, this 2 hour equilibrium. Oh, you see this equilibrium on gold on my screen? You see it?
Yeah.
I think this was trying to target. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Get the daily. Okay. Weekly. Did I not? Hey, did I not say this in the Discord that we finna fill in this weekly fair value gap? Did I not? I literally,
What?
I literally said this in the Discord. We finna fill this weekly fair value gap. I literally said it. I literally said it. I literally said it. Wow,
Order filled.
that's crazy. It's interesting to see your bias becomes reality. Let me go to it real quick. Job opening data. Uh, do. Bingo. I literally said it. Weekly fair value gotta get filled. Uh,
Order filled.
So
okay. Tapped it to the weekly. Nice. Nice.
you go get ready.
Ain't lie, Nasdaq is pulling back too. Might took some
Gotta go use the bathroom.
might took some time for it to play out, but it did play out. Oh, look at the pullback on Nas. Love it. Love it. risk free once we break below here.
Marlo, that sell still valid for late
Oh,
entries or
on which one?
this one you're marking up right now?
Oh, this is Nas. Yeah. This is literally what I was talking about earlier. I was saying like I still like SaaS sales. All right, so I'm gonna just break it down. So the
Yeah.
reason why I was looking for sales to begin with on Nas because I said earlier like it's a possibility we could push up. It's possible we could push up. Sweep this order block on a 1 hour. We did exactly that. It had a bearish order block up here. We swept it. We did push up. Now I want to see the retracement. This is really what I was talking about earlier. Push up. Sales is valid. Just want to see it top it. Sweep this order block up here on a 1 hour. We did. We did take out them highs, low key. We did stall. We started to stall, which I did anticipate. From there, I want to see a retest. We push back down, and then I want to see it push. So I'm still stuck on my conviction. Like sales is valid. Just want to see can we push down. We sweat that order block. We sweat that high. Now, all right, we stalling. Can we push back down?
Uh,
And I was saying I'm risk free once we tap back into this range at 23,245. Once you get close back into that range with risk free, I want to see a potential push even further down.
okay. So you targeting? Okay, I see what you're targeting.
So I just want to see can it push. That's all it is to it. Can it push? We sweat the highs. We sweat the order block and everything. Can we push now? Can we push back down?
So your SL is
Oh, I had Loki already into. I ain't gonna. I'm not gonna even lie. Um, Give me a second. Let me move all this other way. Sorry. Yeah, my entry is at 23,379.
23,379.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a nice entry.
Yeah.
No problem.
A little drawdown. I was a little bit drawdown, but that's okay though. Still chilling. I just want to see that push for here.
And you want SL 23,442. It's so different with Top Step, the numbers, bro.
Yeah, the pricing is way off in top set. Yeah, so it'd be hard trying to pinpoint everything. Sometimes I be had to drop down to the
Mm.
1 minute to figure out my entry. All in all,
23.
solid us again. A solid day. W day. Nas gave us something. Gold gave us something. W. Yeah, W. Both Nas and Gold gave us something. Whether you was in a buy position or sell position, you still caught something. So it's a W.
You want the sales for Nas stuff?
Oh, if I'm in it,
Yeah.
yeah. But it's like right above the reject where we like reject it. That's at 23,379.
So I could still get in there or no? It's not valid no more.
I will low key wait and not go
Right.
hold you. Cause I'm not risk free just yet. I'm not risk free just yet. I would like to see a potential attempt to come back into the range, it's a little small range, but if don't, it's okay.
What? What a lot of that, bro? I'm finna lose my mind.
Mm, wow.
About 500. That's that way weirder to go. That's that one chick, goddamn. That shit fuck y'all.
Nah, he not lying, boy. That's why I tell people just trade the micro game.
Oh shit, I'm not shit not even muted. Yeah, you hear me, bro?
Yeah,
Bro, that Nasdaq boy. What the hell?
yeah. That's why I tell people trade the micro. You see that? That's why I said like. That's why I was like, wait, cause look, pushed up. Nah, I really want to see a push. That's what I'm looking for. I want to see that momentum. We getting that 10:30 volume. Better get that 10:30 volume. So I want to see that momentum start to shift. You come back down. Same thing with gold. You see how gold and Nasdaq moving pretty identical. I ain't gonna lie. Today is the day they moving very identical. They moving very identical today.
Yeah, that's TP for me. Go ahead, my TP. Let's go.
I'm gonna get nice until 11, 11, 11:30. I'll call it a day. It's a W day, honestly speaking. Yeah, I'm gonna just give it to 11:30. I ain't trying to be looking at this all day. All right, swap the highs on gold. Tap it into this fair back out. Queen. Not gonna lie, if I would have took that buy at 4,500, oh clean W. But it is what it is. Now the way if I look at this, if we come into this feeling, this fair value gap and we hold. If we tap it to okay, so I'm looking at if we come back if we could come back into 4,528, I'll probably look for buys. I'm gonna stop sitting on my hand on this one and look for the buys. So all in all, W day, W day, yeah, W day. recognize that. Now I want to get some momentum to push.
Hello.
Yup.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm thinking y'all was talking this whole time.
Nah. Chill out. I was just saying I'm gonna get in this to Nas until 11:30 and call it a
They
day.
had entry. This pushing good though.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. Like, oh, now I want to push. We getting at 11 a.m. So that's why I said I'm gonna give it to 11:30.
Yeah. I got hold. I exited. I just started dropping. I found out what it did yesterday too. It did that 11:30. Well, no,
Yeah,
no, no. It was like 12, 1 o'clock.
yeah.
That shit
That
was
that
big.
that almost peak afternoon volume. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah. It pissed
Look,
me off though. New York used to be way more better, bro. Like this shit ass now.
it's so I was funny you say that. I was having this conversation with somebody. I was like, the only reason why New York is like this at the moment because there's so much geopolitical stuff going on. You have to understand the whole war with Iran and everything, Iraq. That's really taking a toll on the market, honestly speaking, because it's a lot of uncertainty going on. So it's a uncertainty is at its high right now. Typically, people are like,
Yeah.
oh, gold was supposed to be flying right now because there's a war and everything, and they're bombing stuff like that. Yes, at the same time, no. Gold was still overdue for a technical correction. That's why we had this huge sell-off all this month, honestly speaking. You know,
Yeah.
a second thing, the whole thing with oil, the strait, the Hormuz Strait, Hormuz. Correct me if I'm saying the wrong. The Hormuz Strait, with that being closed and everything like that, and Iran placing sanction on us and all this stuff like that. Um, people are pouring again. People are certain right now. People are pouring the money out of asset like gold, silver, bitcoins, all that stuff like that. They're taking their money
Yeah.
out of that because they know shit is gonna get expensive. I
Yeah.
mean, gas is getting expensive. Pretty sure our groceries gonna get expensive, even more expensive, all this stuff like that. At the end of the day, the point I'm making, everything is gonna get more expensive. So to combat that, well, let me take my money out of these assets right now, cause it kind of depreciate, they're not depreciating, but the value is tanking at the moment. So banks
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
taking their money out. Hence, institutions taking their money out. Big whales are taking their money out of these things right now. That's why we got the sell-off, and that's why we got the correction, which was needed. Um, Also, I was telling people, well, I'm glad we got the correction. We created structure. From here, okay, now I want to see the retracement. We're slowly getting there. I was telling
Yeah.
everybody in the chat, like, well, people like, how you know this and that, blah blah blah. I was like, well, you can look left, look at previous history. I'm a swing trader. I trade the high time frame. The high time frame will really tell you the overall direction price was to head. You know.
Yeah.
So when I was telling people, well, look left. What does previous? Let me draw this out. When you look left, what does previous history tells you? Well, previous history tells me we like to respect this area at 3,000, 4,311. This is why
Oh.
this is why it becomes that's why it becomes my support. So boom.
Yeah.
Okay, I know my support is right here. Okay, what's my resistance? Well, my resistance at 4,000. What is this? 4,606. Why? Because we tapped this twice. One, two. We keep tapping into this area, rejecting. Pushed up. Oh, hold on. Push up, reject. Came down. Push up. Kind of rejected, came down. Push up. We broke out his resistance again, but we're stalling. So we most likely going to come down. That's why I honestly want to tap. Hopefully get a tap into this order block. From there, I'll take bars going long.
I
You
get
know.
you.
So now, no, once I identify my support and my resistance, because then I was like, okay, I know the range I'm in from here to here. Um, and right now we're just moving sideways. I'm pretty sure you know what it means to move ranging, consolidating, and everything like that. It
Yeah.
just, just a fight between buyers and sellers. Nobody's in control at the moment. Buyers are
Yeah.
here, strong here. Sellers are strong here. And I've been telling people in the Discord, like, I mean, you see these little moves right here. You think, oh, this is the breakout and everything. I mean, no, it's not the breakout just yet. We don't have enough buying pressure. I mean the buying pressure is building. Don't get me wrong, the buying pressure is building. You slowly start to see it. Cause why? Because the higher time frame starting to flip bullish. You see it right
Yeah.
here. Daily's flipping
Yeah.
bullish. Weekly's flipping bullish. Monthly is about to flip bullish. We came down, we created a bottom wick, we tapped it to the 200-day moving average. Boom. From there, we tapped it to the 200-day moving average. We created a bottom wick because backtrack a little. We've been driving without creating a bottom wick or tapping it to the 200-day moving average. We finally came down, we tapped into it, so it's like, okay, now we got some form of structure created. A little some form of structure created. I'm still overall bullish on gold, but at the moment I'm neutral, honestly speaking, because we're ranging, we're moving sideways. This we can always put flip bullish and then come back down, come back to this, come down. That's always a possibility, honestly speaking. But I'm leaning more towards, well, I want to see now we retest. We not just yet. We in the retracement phase. We're slowly getting there. We're slowly getting there. You know. But
Yeah.
that's why I was saying, like, I do potentially see gold seeing 6,000. First quarter, no. Second, third quarter, yes, maybe, yes, potentially. But in the day, again though, this range up here has to get filled. Once you take out that
But what it
range,
normally does though,
hmm
like it be that first quarter be bullish, that last quarter really be bullish, and then the middle two quarters like or towards the summer, the
yeah,
market always finds a way to fall.
right. So
And it
that's
always shoots
hmm
up when holidays around, when people gotta buy shit, when people can't invest for real, when they
correct.
wasting money.
I ain't gonna
Yeah.
hold you. Last year, third, I think it was second quarter or third quarter. Oh my goodness, was the worst. My
Yeah.
goodness, bro. Gold range. Let me show you how bad it was. Gold range for 6 months last year. 6 months. We sat in this range for 6 months. I hate trading the range, but it was only tradable because it was a steep range.
Yeah.
And the only reason why we was driving because it was the whole thing with tariffs was new to me. It was new to the market. So when Trump was issuing tariffs on countries, gold was pushing. So I was like, oh, okay. I was starting to realize, well, he gets the gap and somebody gonna issue 100% tariffs on countries and everything like that. It typically drives the price of gold. So I was like, okay, that's why we had a lot of bullish momentum. But once that started to stall out, well, we started to range. From April all the way up until September or August, we ranged. Then we got the breakout. Once we got the breakout, we drove for months. Created all time high, rejected again, created a double top, came down, got the correction, we ranged for a couple months towards the end of the year, and then we slowly got the slowly got the breakout. So again, this all ties into the model I use. Everybody approach the market differently, but this is the model I use. It's a simple A and D model. It's a 1, 2, 3 step: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. You know,
Yeah.
it could be shown in two different ways: accumulation, manipulation, we push up, and distribution, we come back down. So with this one, accumulation, well, ranging, moving sideways. That's what we see going on right now. Just fight between buyers and sellers. Manipulation, Well, we pull back. You know, this could be another form of, this could be a form of grab liquidity. We're literally seeing this firsthand right now, honestly speaking. You know, when we enter manipulation phase, it's like, okay, well, this is a form of grab liquidity. Got them. Uh-oh, I'm risk free on NAS. W. I'm gonna come to that. But when you're into manipulation phase, it's simply we're just grabbing these orders, we're grabbing more buy orders, we're grabbing that fuel. We want, okay, it's like, okay, now we know what we want to do. It's almost a market chart saying, okay, now we know what we want to do, but we just need liquidity, we need fuel, buy
Yeah.
orders. You know, we got liquidity, got them buy orders. You know, from there, once we got them buy orders, all right, then boom, now we have that fuel. Now we want to take out London high, we want to take out these lows. We want to take out Asian low, London low, then London high, then Asian high. Once we do all that, then once we test all-time high and we break out of all-time high, oh yeah, it's flying. We get uncharted waters. That means we got range to fly, to push as far as we want. That's the thing with gold. People be like, gold 6,000, you're crazy. No, 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 no. I'm not crazy. I know what this thing could do once we break out of all-time highs and we drive. It could push, and it will push for as long as it wants because we on uncharted waters. There's no stopping it. That's what I'm looking for with gold. I want to see we take out once we so um yes, once we take out all-time highs, I want to see it take once we take out all-time highs at 5,600. Oh yeah, we on uncharted waters and we hold above it. We on uncharted waters. This can push as far as it wants. You know, that's why I say 6,000. But before we get there, we gotta first get out of here. That's what we need to do. Once we get out of here, because this is phase one. This is phase two. We're filling this range. This is phase two. Phase three, okay, we tap into all-time highs. That's phase three. Once we tap into all-time highs to break above it, okay, boom, phase four. Now we in uncharted waters where we're pushing. We could drive.
Yeah.
So it's all in phases. Everything goes slowly, slowly. All the Legos go slowly start to fit. If you get what I'm saying. That's why I
Yeah, I
say
get you.
That's why I say honestly, trading is not difficult to me. The way I look at it, it's not difficult,
It's
you
all a
know.
mental thing. It's
Yes,
all a
yes,
mental.
yeah, and that's the psychological part about it. So hold on. Oh my goodness, on Nas.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at that big
Woo!
that big cooker.
Woo! Clean, 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 clean. You see what I mean, bro? This is we know what we looking for. It just take time for things to play out. It's just the patient part. This what makes or breaks a lot of people and traders, the patience.
I ain't lie, I feel like it be breaking me most of the time, bro. The patience, I be tweaking, man.
You know,
If I
it's
stay more patient, I'll be way more profitable because the
100
trades be right.
100%. That's why I said I feel like, oh my goodness, hold on. I'm about to get TP. That's TP. Hold on. I'm sorry, not to cut you off or anything.
No, you good.
Oh, I'm in there like swimwear. W. All right, I'm gonna start trailing my stops and everything. W day, W day, W day, W day. Take me out, take me out like on a date. Wait, oh, I was signed in on my phone. That's why.
I thought they tried to raise me.
4,000 on a day, trailing stops. Take me out. W. All right, come on, hit my stops, hit my stops, hit my stops, hit my stops.
You
Trailing,
think targeting? You think
trailing.
targeting at 23,300
Order
valid?
filled.
Bingo.
Or is there a whole bunch of sell side liquidity down there?
Um, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not off.
Um,
You're not off. I ain't gonna lie, yes, we got momentum. We pushing now. See, this is what I was talking about earlier. I want to see that momentum pick up, and that momentum pick up, and that's what's happening. So
yeah.
something what you were saying earlier is like, okay, all right, that's TP, that's W, that's a W, W on a day. All right, close. I'm out of there. I was this is what I was meaning to say. I was saying like when it comes to trading, I don't think people are wrong. It's you're right, but you was just early. That's all it
Yeah,
was. You're right, but you was just early. That's all it is. That's all it is. You know. Um.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So and that's another thing. Like today, even though I was in drawdown, I stand 10 on my conviction. I literally said this earlier. I said, well, I know I'm looking for sales. I stood on that. I was looking for sales, but this becomes valid once I want to see a retest. I literally said this. I said sales become valid as this retest, you know. And I said, like, well, I want to see price push up. We take out them highs, that high, take out that order block. We did, boom, pushed up. Okay, now I want to see it stall. I ain't gonna say stall, but I want to see we start reject now. We got resistance up here. I feel like we have heavy resistance up here at 23,400. You know, this area.
Yeah,
Um, got quite some resistance up in this area because you can see we kind of like wick into this area and we start to stall. You see it one tap,
yeah. One,
one,
one, and one,
two,
two, three.
three. You know,
Yeah,
resistance up here. So most likely, okay, well we got resistance up here rejecting. Most likely we're gonna come down, and that's what happened. That's why I said sales was still valid. You know, we just got to see that steeper retest, a steeper push. You know, we
yeah,
did took out that order block, rejected, and boom, now we're pushing. This is what I was looking for, that momentum. This is what I mean by you're not wrong. I was just early. You know,
yeah.
that's why I said don't take it. Once we that's why I said I forgot who I told it to. Like, well, we're pushing. Don't just enter just yet. You know, don't just enter just yet because we always have it to entry. Wait for the retest. Got the retest. Boom, we pushing. W. That's what I mean by as a trader, so you
That's
gotta.
my thing. I feel like I don't be waiting for the retest
But you have
enough.
to though. You have to. It's gonna
I'll be
save
so
you.
quick to market execute, bro.
You have to though. You have to. I'm telling you, it will make life easier as a trader. You know, wait for these retests. Cause what would you rather do? Get in, get stopped out, and you know, instead of waiting, wait for your entry, get wait for it becomes even more validated, get that confirmation, hit entry, and you walk away with a profit. You know, I'd rather wait and walk away with a profit than walk away with a loss. You know,
That's real. That's real. That's real.
it's all about at the end of the day, trading is like I ain't gonna say it's all about picky your poison, but sometimes you have to. Sometimes you have to. You know.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta pick your battles, cause this
Yeah,
shit.
pick your battles. Yeah. Um, but yeah, W Day. How was the W Day? Honestly speaking,
Oh yeah, it's still running right now. Yeah.
W. Oh my goodness, W Day. I gotta update W. Woo.
Oh yeah. They about to be 11. Hopefully 11. Just finish them. Just finish them.
W. I ain't gonna lie, this is a W way to end off the month, man. The three. This is now officially the 3 month winning streak. Let's make it a four. Last trade of the month of March. W. Fucking W. Yeah, but all in all, though, at the end of the day, as a trader, sometimes you got to stay attentive on your conviction. If everything is there, it's matching up, it makes sense. You know, I tell it to everybody. You want to trade off of logic, not emotions.
Yeah.
If it makes sense,
That be the problem. The emotions be coming through. That's why sometimes I be like, put the trade in and just close that out. Call that shit a
you
day.
can't do that because now you're not your manager risk. You can't do that.
No, bro. I be putting that sell in TP though, but I'm like, I be on some trust your trade type shit.
Yeah. You know, sometimes you might just take time, probably even on the weekend, take time back test. Test your strategy
That's
out.
what I haven't been doing enough. I got to back test more.
Back test, I kid you not, as a trader, I recommend you should back test and journal. Back test and journal. I kid you not, you won't understand how much you improve as a trader. Just back test and journal.
Yeah, I see you use the resistance and the support zone a lot. So you kind of use retail trading with the smart money concepts.
Mm-hmm. ICT,
Okay.
it's a little ICT, SMC. So with my strategy, I mix. Oh my goodness, I just turned this into a three-part video. Oh, thank you. uh, so with my strategy, it's like it's two things combined into one. ICT, SMC, same thing. Literally, I tell this to everybody. Every
Yeah.
everybody, oh, I trade ICC, blah blah blah. It's bullshit.
They all the same for us.
Every fucking strategy is the damn same. We all trade the same thing. We just approach the market differently. Everything is the same.
Yeah.
Um, so how I approach it is like, okay, yes, I'll mark out my support and my resistance. Cool. That just makes a little bit things simpler. I know my range from here to here. Boom. Since you're speaking on this, I will adjust my range. Cause now this is my range from here to here. Um, so just mark. So again, that's check. That's check box number one. I know my range from here to here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, identify my order blocks, fair value gaps, and everything like that. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas once I identify that, it's like, okay, I know where my order blocks here. I know my fair value gaps are right here and everything like that. Okay, boom. So then from there, I could drop down to the 15 because I mostly, so I don't know if I mentioned this. My strategy, I trade. So let me know if I'm all over the place. Please let me know if I'm all over the place or moving too
No, you
fast.
good. You good. Well, with me, you good. I get what you're saying.
So I trade a higher time frame. The higher time from so that could range from the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and monthly. The monthly, take that with a grain of salt, honestly. Well, no, don't take that with a grain of salt, but just yes, I'm gonna just put that in the picture. I trade the again, so I trade the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, weekly, and monthly. Higher time frame go always. So this is something I learned and something my homeboy Flacco say. When in doubt, zoom out. What that means, well, if you have confusion, just look at the higher time frame. Higher time frame will really
Yeah.
tell you where price wants to go overall. You know,
Yeah.
it's like picture of it like you read in a book. You know, the pages, the smaller the pages you read in between that chapter, it's a lower time frame. But at the end of the chapter, you're gonna get the whole overall message, and that's the higher time frame. So the lower time frame is just noise. The higher time frame is where everything like still like this is
Yeah.
overall
It's the
this
structure.
yes, this is what we really saying. This is what we really saying. This is what we really doing. This is the direction
Yeah.
price wants to go. That's why I get annoyed when people say trading's gambling, blah blah blah, da, 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 da. Like shut up, you just suck.
No, because they be seeing some people scalping on 30-second doing. Some people be muddying that shit.
Like that's sick, that's insane. But hey, if it works, hey, that's them. But again though, I get irritated when people say, "Oh, it's gambling, blah blah blah." You just suck at it, and you just need to find a different profession. Literally. Again though, again with the whole it's gambling. Well, how is it gambling if the market is telling you where the fuck it wants to go? So make it make sense.
Hell yeah. I get
That's how you, as a trader, that's how you build an edge. Understand price action, knowing key areas, you know, key areas where your support and resistance. You see how it's like honestly like almost coming in. Everything start to slowly like play out in a sense. So once you understand, identify your key areas, so it's like okay, from the higher time frame, then you can low key drop down to the 30. You know, okay, how does 30-minute close? You know, is there any order block sitting right here? You see right here on Nasdaq, well, we got a bullish order block right here. You know, this becomes
yeah.
an order block because price is holding above this area. We had how many touch points into this? One, two, three, four, and push. That shows okay, we got buyers sitting right here. So that's why I was
Yeah. A
looking
lot
for.
of buyers are there.
Yeah, you got buyers a little strong right here, honestly speaking. So that's why I like okay, this is the order block. So I would potentially want to see a push. We tap back into this order block. You want to see how price react to this order block. But this is not that. It's a lot more easier to show on that on gold, honestly speaking. Um, but okay, I thought I deleted that alert. Okay, so once you identify, your support resistance and everything, then you can drop down to the lower time frame, the 15, everything like that. So I look for the fit. I go to the 15. Um, so I enter off the 15 and the 5 minutes, the 5 minute time frame. Oh, sorry. Um, The 15 is gonna really start to show you the direction price wants to go and everything like that. And you could honestly base your entries off the 15 and a 5 minute. That's just me. That's just how I look at it and everything like that. I just start to see, okay, how does 15 open up. Even sometimes I base my entry off the 1 hour. Honestly speaking, I could base my entries off of 5, 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour. Seeing how this
But that's what
sometimes.
comes with swing trading, though.
Yeah, correct. Honestly
Yeah.
speaking, this is what works
Yeah.
with me. For other people, something else might work for that, and that's okay. I tell this to everybody that's new. It's like I tell them, like, bro, over time you go find out. You don't have to trade my strategy. I'm a swing trader. This is what works with me. I know how to swing trade and I know how to
Yeah.
scout. This is what works with
I
me.
feel like that's the hardest thing for most traders to find out what type of trader they are. Cause like when you try
Right.
to trade like somebody else, bro, you gonna be fucked.
Right, and then that's something I was expressing as well. I be expressing a lot of stuff because like I've been trading since 2017, 2017, 2018. So the game changed completely.
Yeah.
What I see now is like there's an identity crisis in the trading community, and it's not talk
Yeah.
bad about anybody. It's like you have to find again, trading is a you journey. It's a you thing. It's your journey, not nobody else. It's a you thing. At the end of the day, you gotta find something, a system that fits with you. You gotta find something that fits you. You know,
Yeah.
because how I was taught is like find one thing and master it. Find one thing you set for life. You find one thing you
That's how
master
it
and you
was
set for
before,
life.
like locking in.
Yes, that's how it was. Not
People don't want to
every
do that no more. People just want the
right.
signals and they expect to make money, bro. People don't want to sit there. Back then, like you really had to be a psycho to trade, like, cause you locking in, watching a whole bunch of videos, taking L's, back testing, live testing.
Literally.
And now people don't want to do none of that stuff.
And it's funny you
People
say
just,
that. It's funny you say that because like, bro, that's why I say it's identity crisis. Everybody's trading AQ and Nasdaq and gold. Nothing wrong
I
with it.
thought
I
it was
mean,
your cat.
you, you feel me? It's like it's nothing wrong with that, but at the same time, it's like you only trading it because you saw somebody else trading it. Now you want it. It's like okay. I mean, follow the money. I ain't holding you, but do you understand that market?
Yeah, they don't have a lot of talent on the market test.
Right. I was trading GBP, USD, USD Chef. Boy,
That was my shit too.
bro.
GG.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Look at my screen. It's right here. They all saved. GBP.
Yeah.
Bro, I got markups from 2020 and back. Like, come on now. I've been doing this for a long ass time. Like,
Hell yeah.
GBP, USD, GBP,
But
JPY, the
also, that was the
Aussie.
reason why I came back to the market this year, bro. When Trump was in office those 4 years, bro, that shit was lovely. I ain't gonna lie.
You feel me? I was literally saying this like, bro, I low key missed the Biden era. I ain't gonna hold you now. The price action was low key, you know. And COVID.
I don't know. The Biden era killed me. I ain't gonna lie. You know, Trump was doing spontaneous shit,
Actually,
like,
you
and
right,
I
you
was
right.
catching on.
I got it confused. You right. It was Trump. It was like Trump, Biden, then Trump again. I ain't gonna lie. The first time he was president, he was low key cooking. But now I don't know what the fuck he's doing. He just need to shut up now,
Man. Yeah, fucking it up.
my nigga. Shut up. Like damn. And
Yeah,
that's why I say for new traders, this shit could be pretty intimidating because this is not no good price action. This is all about political. This political it's a lot of political tension, uncertainties at its high. All it talks about recession, interest rates is insane. Inflation is insane. All this, there's so many confluence outside factors that's having impact on price action. That's why I'm like, this shit could be pretty intimidating for a beginner. That's why I say, try trade something slow like the FX pairs. Groove,
yeah. But
groove.
people don't want to do that no more.
Yeah,
They see freaking laws going crazy and they wanna be part of the party.
it's like easier way into the market. Don't just full on, you know.
And that's how you know if your strategy work. Like you gotta use it on the other pairs too before you just stick to one.
Right. That's why I say I know what I'm doing because this shit it works with FX, it works with futures, it works with commodities, it works with options. This shit works with every market, so it's like I know what I'm doing. And again, it's like I'm not the best trader. Well, let me make this clear. I'm not the best trader in the world. Whatever. I'm not but I know what I'm looking at. I know what I'm seeing. I know what I'm basically at the end of the day, I know what I'm seeing. Like, doing seeing this for years and everything like that, you could slowly identify
Yeah,
things. This is something I've been trying to preach in the Discord. Like, I want this to become secondhand nature, well, almost like you could
yeah.
look at the market and see what this direction it wants to go. And people might be think it's impossible. It's not impossible when that repetition is there. When
Yeah,
you
it's
sh-
like tying your shoes.
yeah, it's like, bro, I even there was days where I didn't even have it. I still showed up to the market to see what the hell is going on, what the market is doing. Still doing
Yeah,
markups even when I didn't have it. So that's why it all ties back into how bad do you want it.
that's what I'm saying. You had to be obsessed back then. Nowadays, people not obsessed no more.
Nowadays it's just I'm gonna just get it funded past the fuck. That's
I ain't gonna lie, when I first started, funded was scams, bro.
literally,
Bruh.
bro,
My first fund ran off
literally,
with 40 bands from me, bro. Till today, I ain't
bro.
get my bread.
I've been saying this. That's like, bro, I've been saying this. I'm like, bro, YouTube is heavily oversaturated. Funded is not the main thing. It's like, bro, when I started, funded wasn't a thing. It was looked down upon.
Yeah.
It was learn the game, find a strat that fits and everything. Find a pair that
The
fits you.
complex was more value, bro. Like flipping 100 to 1,000, bro. You got more respect than
You
doing the funding shit.
you feel me? Like, we as when we started, we was taught differently. Grow that live
Yeah.
account, you big chilling. Now it's like, okay, I'm gonna get a funded and then hop live. Feel like that's kind of, I mean, I guess if that's the wave, go ahead. Honestly speaking, I feel
It
like if
worked
you
for
could,
some people, though. I ain't gonna lie. It do
yeah,
work for some
yeah,
people.
if it works for some
But
people,
those people will never understand that the market is 24/7. The funded, that shit close at 5. So
right,
you it's gone. You buzz. But more people gain way more capital when you got your own live account. You risking your own account. You know
right,
when you over leverage so much. If you
right,
blow the account, that's you.
right. You know,
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I say, like, honestly, if you could grow a live account, fund it is easy as hell. People like, how the hell you've passed? Like, bro, it's easy. If you could grow a live account, yeah, you could pass a fund it.
Yeah.
But I mean, hey, this is, it is what it is. As traders, we just gotta adapt, and we just gotta adapt. Honestly speaking,
Yeah, a lot of shit changed, bro. A lot of shit changed. Then people deleted MT5. Now we got futures.
no, it's it fast still here.
Yeah, yeah, it's back now,
Oh
but
yeah,
they
yeah,
had deleted it.
yeah. They play because NT5 is based in Russia. That's why they
I
play.
don't know, like I love MT5, man.
That's why they play sanction on it.
Four too. I like MT4.
Okay.
Yeah, that was 2022. Yeah, you definitely know ball. If you know about that, hey, you know
Yeah,
something for real. But yeah, I mean something I was meaning to say. I think I did express this, like, bro. I was looking at now is that since it was at 17,000, like down here, like ten
East.
thousand. Been looking at Nasdaq since it was at 10,000. Been trading gold since it was at 1,800.
17, 1800, bro.
Like you
But
know
people gotta
something.
apply it to real life too. Like if you really buying gold in real life, you would know like, yo, this is a thing to jump in.
Correct.
Yeah.
Gang, you could even buy gold at Costco's.
Yeah.
Yes, you could buy gold at Costco's. I didn't know that. If you have a
Nah, that's
bruh,
really true. I ain't know
bruh,
that.
if you have a
Yeah.
Costco membership, if you don't get one, go to the front counter and be like, "Can you buy a gold? Can you buy gold?" You can literally buy gold at Costco's, bro. That's insane. But yeah, so training this thing since it was like 18, 1900, bro. Like, it's insane to see that too. See, it was kind of insane to see it go to 3,000, like 2,000, 3,000, 4, 5. Like I could show
What?
bro, I could show you receipts of people like go to 2000 and it
Yeah.
had like
This can
damn.
reach highs I never thought it would have reached.
So it's like it's kind of crazy to see all this happen. Honestly speaking,
Yeah.
all is still pushing, but hey, it is what it is. But you know, with everything going on, sometimes you
But
just
the best part about trading though is being able to understand when the news come and economics, certain people talk like what you looking for. Like it's good life skills. I ain't gonna lie.
facts. And you know another thing that's a bad habit that's been glorified. Niggas are full port and news, CPR and stuff like that.
My little brother was telling me about that shit. I said, damn.
Why? Why is that why is that normalized? Why is that okay? Why do people think that's an okay habit?
Because people think it's cool to keep buying fundeds.
Yeah, because they looking at the capital.
Yeah.
That's what they're looking at. They're looking like, okay, I could buy into bigger trades now and I could make more money. That's what they're paying attention to. But they're not understanding when that market drop and reverse on you, that account is done.
Bro,
That shit gone.
Especially if you don't know what you're
But since
doing.
it's not their own
right.
money, the funded account, they feel like, it don't matter. I could just pop a new one.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm like, bro, this type of behavior should not be normalized. And again, it's not to talk bad about other traders, but again, it's not to make this a race thing. It's like, bro, you see these white traders do it and everything, and people think it's funny. It's fun to do it. It's okay to do it. It's like,
Huh?
no, that is not.
Bro, them people
That's
got bread to
bad
lose, bro.
behavior. That's bad. That is they are normalizing bad
No, but
trader habits. You can't
the
do
thing about
that.
the thing about the funded accounts when everybody was pushing those around, it was like basically like a pyramid scheme because they wanted the
Hell
percentage.
yeah.
When people sign up under you, you
Oh
get a little
yeah,
percentage.
use
Yeah,
use
so
use my code, blah blah blah. Like,
yeah, that's what they was
Yeah.
doing.
man, it's
Everybody had a coin.
Oh yeah.
That's what they used to do with KOT too, though. When I first
man,
got into this shit,
KOT boy.
man,
I heard about them, man. I heard
them
about
people
them.
used
That
to
shit
do it
was
dirty.
what they said. Q Banks ran that thing or something.
Man, that's how he got rich. Q Banks got
Yes.
really rich off this shit,
And
bro.
what's his name on